Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of teacher appreciation gifts with a special focus on the Reginary 20 pieces Teacher Makeup Bag Bulk set. If you're on the hunt for the best Teacher Cosmetic Bag Bulk available in the market, you're in the right place. Let's talk about what makes these makeup bags stand out from the rest. First off, they come in a set of 20, featuring 10 different vibrant teacher-themed patterns. From colorful apples to inspiring quotes, these bags are not only practical but also add a touch of warmth and charm to any teacher's day. Now, let's talk about practicality. Each bag measures approximately 18 by 11 centimeters, making them the perfect size for storing all your essential cosmetics, toiletries, and even classroom supplies like pencils and keys. Plus, their compact design means they can easily slip into your backpack or handbag without adding any extra bulk. Looking for the perfect gift to show your appreciation for that special teacher in your life? Look no further. These makeup bags make for an ideal present on Teacher's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, or any other memorable occasion. Trust me, your teachers will love the thoughtful gesture. And there you have it, folks. The Reginary 20 pieces Teacher Makeup Bag Bulk set is not just a practical purchase, but a heartfelt way to show your appreciation for the educators who make a difference every day. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy shopping!